Hey guys, today we're out in the garden and this is our cucumber bed and I need a trellis for the cucumbers to keep them up off the ground. I have these T-posts where I'm going to put a plastic netting for the trellis, but these are about 10-12 foot apart and the trellis just isn't going to be strong enough in the middle. So I want to fashion some type of bar across the top.
Alright, at this point guys, the wind got so bad you can't even hear anything on the video. Basically what I'm saying is I'm going to use some recycled materials to go ahead and build that top bar and some attachments for the trellis. Alright, here you see I'm using some recycled bamboo. I know it's not my normal pallet wood project, but since it's repurposed bamboo, I think it kind of counts. So you can see here I'm kind of cutting these ends where one end is open and one end is still sealed up. This is going to be the part that's going to fit over the top of the T-post. What you're seeing here is the famous transition from a table saw to a flat work surface. Here I'm going to cut two more bamboo pieces, but this time I want them to be open on both ends. So basically I'm going to make two bamboo tubes. So you can probably watch the video and decide what I'm going to do for yourself, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you anyway. I'm going to take the open tube and zip tie it to the top of the closed tube at 90 degrees, basically making kind of like a L or a T shape to go on top of the T-post. Alright, this part of the bamboo is going to be the ridge pole for the trellis, and this end of the bamboo pole doesn't quite fit into the hollow tube that we made. So I'm going to cut this relief in here and kind of make one of those compression fittings. So now look, yeah, see, there it is, now it fits. Oh, there it is, good job. That's how it's going to work. You get it yet? You see what we're doing? Here's that compression end. I'm going to squeeze it in to that little trellis adapter on top. Alright, here's that compression part where we made the relief cut. I got to squeeze the end of the bamboo to get it into the hollow part, and then when the bamboo wants to spring back open, it'll hold it in place. This is just an old pallet nail bent up into an S to hold the other side of the bamboo in that trellis adapter.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Here's our improvised jealous trellis made out of some recycled bamboo. Not our normal woodworking stuff, but still recycled material, so I think it counts. We're gonna go ahead and let these cucumbers figure it out, climb up the trellis. Hopefully we grow a bunch of cucumbers this year. Again, thanks for watching. Tell your friends, tell your buddies, tell your family. Let's get this YouTube channel rolling. Hey guys. Please feel free to leave any comments or ideas in the comment section down below to help me get this YouTube channel bigger and better. Thanks again.